Welcome back. It's art time class. Today we are going to be painting with toothbrushes. Let's get started. For our project today, you can choose to do a winter tree, or if you want to decorate it to be Christmas or a certain holiday, you can definitely do that as well. To begin, the first layer of our painting is going to need to look like this. So on our paper, we're going to start by marking where our tree is going to go. I'm just going to do a triangle. One big triangle in the center is up to you. And then on your tray, you're going to have more than one toothbrush. One toothbrush is for just the green paint, and one toothbrush is for the white paint, and that's going to be later. It's going to be a little splatter paint later. But first, we're going to do our tree. So I'm going to be going around with a lighter color green or a darker color green, and I'll put a dot of that on directly onto your paper. And what you're going to do with the green toothbrush is dip it into the green paint, and then you are going to brush your paper. You're going to go down strokes, filling in that triangle. So you want to fill it all the way in. Let's take a close look at that. So here I am going down, and I want to create this texture. I like all these little pieces that come off the edge. I want that. I like it. I think it's pretty. As I continue down, let's keep checking that out. Yes, loving that texture that it's giving. I can go and get some more green paint. Continue brushing all the way down. And I have a painting mat. We will be using our paint mats for this project because I want you to paint all the way off the bottom edge. Even if it gets onto the painting mat, that is okay. That's what the paint mat is for. It's to catch all that paint for us. So you're going to continue brushing all the way till you cover up your tree. That whole triangle to make your tree. Ooh, yes. And see, this is how that looks. So now that I'm done with the green paint, I'm going to put a cover back on that. Once your first layer is dry, you're going to go back, and if you want to do ornaments or decorations, you're going to take Q-tips. You dip them in. Once it dips into a certain color, that's the only color that it can be used for. When you're done using it, just leave it on the tray. And hopefully we can reuse them throughout different classes. Okay, let's do some yellow. It's up to you if you want to do a pattern or certain colors. Do a little blue. And got all the colors. Okay, now the second toothbrush with the white paint, let me show you what you're going to do with that. So you are going to do some splatter paint. So you're going to get paint onto your toothbrush, and then you're going to take your finger and you're going to roll it. Okay, I kind of like to use this finger right here. Like this. Do you see that? Here, let's take a closer look. So I'm rolling my finger on the bristles a little higher up. I need a little bit more white paint. Yay! This is like our snow effect. Now remember, if your painting is wet in any way, where should you put it? At the end when you're finished, on the drying rack. Yay! Some students might even want to add just a little bit of snow on their tree, like this. Brush that in. Oh, it's looking so pretty. Well, I can't wait to see what you're going to make. Till next time, keep being creative.